can't believe that you're actually giving up on silver. I mean, after all these years, after the countless YouTube videos, after the hours of scrolling on Bullion Max and AppMex and, playing with your silver, talking to people, and you give up. And the worst part is, you're giving up when the price is at $19.41. Why? Oh, okay, so you thought the price was going to go higher faster? Well, guess what? Things don't always work out your way. Maybe you didn't understand the markets when you got into silver in the first place. You didn't make a mistake, though. You think you did, but you didn't. And I bet in a couple of years, you will realize what I just said is true, and you'll realize what you said is false, and you'll regret it, kicking yourself in the butt, because guess what? Silver stackers always get the last laugh. They always do. If you want to know why silver stackers always get the last laugh, because we are always the ones at the end of the day that comes out on top, and that's because silver's timeless. Look, go back to the pyramids. Look how much they use gold and silver. Go back to biblical times. Open up your Bible. Look, gold and silver is always there. You know what's not always there? Fiat. Every fiat-based system lasts about 100 years. It's designed to fail. We are trying to get ourselves out of debt by replacing it with more debt. It's like trying to pay off a credit card with another credit card. It's going to catch up, and it always does. I mean, the dollar's lost 98% of its original purchasing power. Look at the housing market. Look at cryptocurrency. What are you going to do at the end of the day when your money in your bank account is worth half as much as it is now? All those hard-earned dollars that you're working for is actually half the value that it's going to be when you spend it. Put $5,000 in silver, it's going to hold its value. Put $5,000 in your bank account, it's burning away. You might as well just take $2,500 out and throw it down the trash and spend the rest right now, because that's what it's going to be like when you go to spend it in the first place. I mean, look, a walking Liberty $half could get you a gallon of gas back in the day. 50 cents a gallon of gas. That same walking Liberty $half can get you a gallon of gas today. The same coin. One coin could do back in the day what it still can do today. And that's because silver's timeless. But Slayer, gas isn't 50 cents. That doesn't make sense. But look, 50 cents could get you a gallon of gas back in the day. But guess what? I could take that walking Liberty $half, walk down the street to my local coin shop, sell it for $10, $15, and go get myself a couple gallons of gas today. The same coin can produce the same exact good or service from back in the day to today. 50 cents can't get you a gallon of gas today. Can it? So would you rather put your money in your bank account or invest into silver where it is timeless? But you're giving up. You're giving up. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm talking to someone who's given up. Okay, go do that. See how it works out for you. Oh, you're going to transfer your money into Bitcoin? Okay, that might be a smart idea. It might be. It could be. Only thing is, Bitcoin isn't backed by anything. It's just a digit on a screen. It's an imaginary digit on a screen. You know what you should do? If you want to sell a little bit of your silver, invest in a Bitcoin, wait for it to go back up a little bit, and then use the profits to buy more silver. Go try to invest that in real estate. See how it works out for you. Go try to, go buy some Pokemon cards, or go try to collect something else. See how that works out for you. I mean, you want to give up on silver, right? Where are you going to sell it to, huh? Tell me right now, what's your exit strategy? Have you ever even thought about an exit strategy? I mean, you're about to sell, so I mean, you must have thought about it, right? Oh, you haven't. Well, let me break this down for you. Okay, what kind of coins you got? Oh, you got some pandas. Okay, you got some slab coins. You got some junk silver. Okay, that's some good. Okay, you got some rounds. Cool. Okay, sounds good. I mean, you diversified. You must have watched some of my YouTube videos, right? Okay, well, let me break this down to you. You are not going to be selling anytime soon. I mean, you can, but if you want that immediate money right now, then you better pump the brakes a little bit, because let me make this clear. You cannot go to your local coin shop and sell a panda and get the profit back, or even the price back that you paid for it. You can't. How much you paid for that panda? Okay, spot price was 23. You paid 20, whatever, 24. You probably paid about 37, maybe $40. Yeah, go take that panda to your local coin shop. He's gonna offer you the same price as you would in a generic round. But I paid $40 for that coin. That doesn't make sense. Generic rounds aren't that. Yeah, because he's looking at that coin as the 1 ounce inside of it, not how pretty it is, not how cool it is. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. So how do I get the profit back, Slayer? Well, you're gonna have to sell on eBay. You have to sell on eBay. You can take some silver to your local coin shop and sell it. You can take the generic rounds. You can take that type of stuff. Even junk silver does pretty good. But if you want to get the profit back on some of those semi-numismatic, aka high premium coins, then you're gonna have to sell online. But let me show you what selling online really looks like. Okay? Let me show you. Let's say how many ounces do you have? You have 500? You have 567? Okay. You have 567 ounces. How much of that is premium coin you have to sell online? 300 and something, 300. We'll just go with 300, okay? Okay. You have 300 ounces. So that means that you're going to have to list 300 individual ounces online. Remember, it's 3 to 4 pictures per listing. So that means you're going to have to take 900 pictures. 900 pictures and send them to your email and drag over those 900 pictures to eBay, right? Because you got to take the picture from your phone, send it to your email account, then go on your computer and then drag it to eBay 900 times. And then you got to write out a description for each one of those 300 coins. Put the denomination, put the diameter, write a description, make it look good. Plus, you have to build a reputation on there. You gotta pay the PayPal fees, the eBay fees. You have competition, so you probably can't list it too high, or nobody's gonna buy. And how long is it gonna take for you to sell some of these coins? Some of those are collectible coins. I'm looking at your stack right now. You're not just gonna sell that in one day. It's gonna take time. I mean, you could sell those generics and walk out the door right now with some cash. But if you want to get your money back on those other coins, it's gonna take time. I didn't know that when I bought those coins. Well, you should have been watching my videos, because I talk about this. You should never sell your entire stack at once anyways, and that's also why panic selling what you're doing right now is a terrible idea. Yeah, you're panic selling, my friend. You're panic selling. You're selling in fear because the price is low. And if you really think that $19.41 is too much for an ounce of silver, then yes, sell all right now, because you should not be handling money in any way, shape, or form. If you think that $19.41 for an ounce of silver is a good enough price to sell at, then please just throw all your money away, because you don't even know what money is anymore. Well, since you put it that way, Slayer, I don't know. Maybe I should just sit on it. Yeah, maybe you should. I mean, it's okay to have, an emergency stash, and put away some coins that if you do need cash or need a little extra cash, or maybe, a car payment or something behind, you could sell it. But selling your whole stack at once impulsively is the worst thing you can do, bro. I mean, come on, man. Think logically. Invest with your head, not your heart. Right now, you're making every decision based off of emotion. You're not stepping outside of yourself. See, I'm your conscious right now. This is what you should be thinking right now. What I'm telling you. You watch my videos, but right now you're so self-centered in your own head, you can't really think logically and hear the advice that I give every day on my channel. Come on, man. Take a sip of my coffee. I'm just looking you in the eyes right now. Man. Shaking my head. Yeah, you're embarrassed? Yeah, you should be. I mean, you're thinking about selling at $19.41 an ounce. Come back in 3, 4 years from now. Look at yourself. See what you say. I mean, in 3 years from now, if you are going to look back at this conversation, you will feel so silly that you were about to sell at $19.41 because you'll be wishing you could buy at $19.41. Kind of like the people that, you know, that missed out on Bitcoin. They say, man, I wish I could have bought Bitcoin in 2011 or whatever when it was 3 pennies. That's what it's going to be like for you if you go and sell right now. You don't want to be that guy. And at least you knew about silver. I mean, the people that don't even know about it, you can't feel bad for them, or they won't even feel bad because they didn't even have a choice, an opportunity. But the people that did know and still didn't, those are the ones that are going to be kicking themselves in the butt. And yeah, people could say that we're investing into a dead market or whatever, while they go and invest in the stocks or something that's pegged to the dollar. But like I said, silver stackers always get the last laugh. I want to take a second to give a shout out to my channel sponsor, bullionmax.com. I'm honored to be working with one of the best bullion dealers online. Great prices, great deals, and by far the best packaging out of any company that I've ever seen. They even offer a silver starter kit, which is 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing, with extremely high premium coins for a great deal. It's only one per household, but a great way to lower your dollar per ounce average a bit and get a chance to grab some great coins. So shout out to Bullion Max, such a great company, always sending me silver to give away to my subscribers as well. bullionmax.com, and if you want the starter kit, go to bullionmax.com/silverslayer.